Welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about chatbots, and I want to show you how to get started creating just a very simple, basic chatbot. All right, so we're going to go into the chatbots option, and in the top right corner, we'll click on Add a New Bot. All right, so whenever you add a new chatbot, this is how it starts. This is the Start widget, and you can also think of this as the keyword of the chatbot. So the keyword is the keyword that your user is going to text to your dedicated number in order to run this chatbot. So I'm going to put in here, and it's not case sensitive, I'll just put in my bot. And just so that you know, a bot can have more than one keyword. So the very first widget here is the Start widget. I can drag another one. So this is a drag and drop to add another one. So I'll just do this. I'll put my bot 2. Okay, so let's say I want the very most simple, basic thing. The user is going to text either one of those keywords, and I just want the bot to respond with a statement. So I'm going to use the text widget here. This text widget, basically you just drag with all the widgets. You click and drag and drop it onto the canvas. All right. So in order to connect these widgets, you don't have to click directly here, and it's not a click and drag. It's a simple click. So I'm just going to click right here, just in this area of the arrow, click, and then same thing, click, click here, single click, and click there. All right. So those are connected. Double click here, and I'm just going to say, thanks for using our bot. Let's say that's all I want to do. I don't want to ask the user a question right now in this very simple example. I just want them to text that information and get that response back, and that's all we want to do for right now. So let's go over to our chat client, and I'm going to enter my bot and send that through. All right. Thanks for using our bot. Let's also try the other one, my bot 2. My bot 2, send that through. It should give us the exact same thing, and it does. Perfect. All right, so that's all we need that to do. Now, let's say that we want to actually ask the user a question. So here's what we'll do for that. Let's insert a question into this flow, into the first one. Let's ask the user for their name. All right, let's do that. I'm keeping it simple right now, so I am still going to use this simple text widget. If you want to collect some information and do some more advanced things, you can use this this widget here. It's a quick reply. It's got a list of options and all different kinds of things that you can do with that particular one. But let's drag this onto here. Let's reroute this keyword to here and reroute the response to here. And in here, let's ask the user, actually not for the name, let's ask how old are you? I'll say how old are you? And I'm going to save the response here to a variable that I create. I'll just type in a variable name. I'll say users age. That's it. I'm just going to copy that. Click save. And I'm going to double click here on this widget. Thank you for using our bot. You are. And then to use that variable, you use double brace quotes. I'll put that, close those brace quotes, and I'll put years old. There we go. All right, just to recap, we've got our starting point. I'm going to double click here. That's our keyword, my bot. It's routed into here. In order to do the routing, you just single click here and then single click onto the location that you want that to be routed to. We dragged on the text widget here. We put in our message. We want to save the response into a variable. So we created our own variable called users age, saved it, and then after that, we're routing it here. Let's go back to the chat client and let's go into my bot again. So my bot. Let's send that through. It says, how old are you? I'm just going to say 10. And thanks for using our bot. You're 10 years old. That's what we expected to see there. And just for a refresher, let's go into my bot 2. All right, now you can see here, it just says, thank you for using our bot. These went straight from here to here. And the system does remember the variables that, that you've entered in there. So you see there that it still says, thanks for using our bot. You're 10 years old. So it does remember what the user has done, the variables that you've collected from session to session. Okay? So that is a basic bot and how you can get started with bots. In the next video, we're going to continue on with this bot and add some more functionality to it.